to grate, to grate, grate the cheese. To peel, to peel, peel the apple. To mix, to mix, mix the ingredients. To pour, to pour, pour the milk. To slice, to slice, to slice the onion. To fry, to fry, fry the tofu. To boil, to boil, boil the eggs. To melt, to melt, melt the margarine. To dice, to dice, dice the potatoes. To whisk, to whisk, whisk the eggs. To squeeze, to squeeze, squeeze the oranges. To mash, to mash, mash the potatoes. To roast, to roast, roast the chicken. To bake, to bake, bake the cakes. To knead, to knead, knead the dough. To
Next,
spread,
you can add ice
spread.
and blend for
Spread
another
the butter.
2 until 3 minutes.
To drain, to drain, drain the noodles. To chop, to chop, chop the meat. To wash,
After that, pour the
To
mango
wash.
milkshake into
wash
the
the
glass.
vegetables.
Finally,
To stir.
mango shake is
To
ready
stir.
to drink.
Stir the tea.
Well everyone, that's all the
To grill,
example of
to grill,
procedure text
Grill
of
the chicken.
how to make mango shakes.
to
Thank
crack,
you very much for watching
crack.
and see you next time.
crack the eggs. To blend, to blend, blend the fruits. To steam, to steam, steam the food. To roll out, to roll out, roll the batter out. To sprinkle, to sprinkle, sprinkle the shallot. To add, add the sugar. To cut, cut the orange. To dip, dip the tea bag. To mince, mince the meat. To sift, sift the flour. To crave, crave the chicken. To weigh, weigh the eggs. To layer, layer the cake. To taste, taste the food. To serve, serve the food.